Hello again, and welcome to topic 3 of organizing and accessing information. In today's video, we're going to talk about the digital search project. In the digital search project, we're going to do something very similar to what we did in the physical search project, but we're going to do it online rather than at a physical location. What we're going to do is we're going to find a single item in a big collection, and then we're going to break down the categories and subcategories that make it possible to find the item. One thing that's going to be different than the physical search is that in a physical organization, things can only be in one place at a time. The entire store can't be sorted into just clothes that will fit the person shopping. Instead, it has to be organized for the general public. But in a digital search, each searcher can organize things that meet just their current needs. And so in our library database, we're going to search for student loan forgiveness. And we're going to find various kinds of articles that are written about this. This one here, this peer-reviewed article, Perceived Effects of Student Loan Forgiveness, this looks like it'll be useful for us. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And this page here that we see, and I have to scroll down to see it all for this article, this has all of these different ways that the article is organized. And this is what we're looking for. It tells us that it's a peer-reviewed journal. Otherwise, it might say that it's a newspaper article or a periodical article, but we can sort them by those things. We can also sort by the subject terms. And I think we're going to find that the first two here, either debt cancellation, that's a good one, or student loan debt, are useful ways to find more things about the article. Now, in a physical search, of course, you can't go in and find a blouse or a top or a jacket and say, hey, I want to see all of the colors, textures, and patterns that match this. That's a limitation of the physical search, but in a digital search, we can say, show me a lot of other things like this. And that's going to be part of what we're doing. So once we find a particular article that looks interesting, and I'll pick this one, we're going to take a screenshot of this page, and we're going to look at the subject terms, the keywords, the type of article it is, and explain the different ways that that gives us access to this article and how we can find more. And that's going to be what we're doing for this assignment. In Moodle, you'll find detailed written instructions, and if you have any questions about this, as always, you can reach out to me directly. Until then, have fun with this assignment, do some searching, and I'm interested to see what you uncover. Thanks.